Today, about the things which we are keeping despite not liking or not using. But before, I'll take you to our favorite restaurant in Belgium.
You got me like in a box. I adore everything you touch. Say, do you believe that?
The dining cars are authentic, the atmosphere is kept on Belle Epoque style of 1930s, and the menu is short. The fish is great there. If you'll be ever in Bastogne and hungry, look for the Wagon Leo.
No one likes push and shove. Let go of.
The floral pictures in our home been hanging from the day we moved to Luxembourg. One of them I have daily before my eyes while eating, until one day I realized that we take them for granted but never stopping to enjoy it. I guess flower power is not my thing. It seems my husband is also indifferent to them.
In the sun.
My husband's family love the walls covered with this kind of tapestry, and I guess all what they don't like, they are passing to us. So if we don't like to keep the things in our home what the other people didn't like to keep in theirs, I think it can go.
Victory and not the despair. I can't stand those sad, sad eyes. Not one more.
The other tricky thing are the mugs we almost never drinking from. They are decorated by a famous Lithuanian artist in collaboration with a coffee brand, but it's not hand-painted in person. These cups were the part of the loyalty program in the supermarket where you're collecting stickers, and then my mom got them for me. Thank you and sorry, Mom. One more batch of the mugs we got from our neighbors. Those are a bit infantile but also funny and everything, just not handy at all. I did my best to put them in use, but because of the size, shape and all those colors, it's more trouble than worth.
I need what you need.
I got the new transparent rectangular containers for all those bits and pieces. The paper clips keep them all together.
I can't stand those sad, sad eyes. Not one more time. It's up.
I was always skipping the cabinet of glasses when decluttering, because I knew once I will look at it more carefully, I will find a potpourri there, because almost no set is full and need a backup. We found out that our suite number is 8. You need more glassware or cutlery also because the part of it is always in the dishwasher, but at this point the most of our sets contain 5. Christian said,
We could invite some couple and somebody divorced.
Yeah. I love milfeu glasses from Leonardo with so many memories, but I'm afraid they already discontinued and we can't back up them anymore. Funny, the things we love we are using all the time and they are getting worn out. And those what we don't like look like the new ones and still complete. The things.
No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kitten and maid. way back to them days. Daydreamer looking at me. Have me running.
This week I spent not only ditching our belongings, one of the stoppers for my potions was broken, so I made new for all my tiny bottles. Haven't a video on it, but I just chopped to the size and sanded few wine corks. And well, got rid of a hair cream from the time when I had my hair even shorter, and frankly, I'm not fond of any porridge on my hair. I think it would look disappointing if I didn't wash these brushes. Let's face it, I have my wardrobe under control. Of course, some things are dated and I would be glad replacing them, but as we still are not outing so often than before pandemic, there is no hurry. I remember the fun of shopping with my bestie when I bought the pink blouse in Sweden. I wore it maybe 3 times in 2 years and never looked my best. Can I still fit into this dress? I will never be this slim anymore. I don't know how about you, but I never take 1 liter water flask with me. It's heavy when full, fits in no holder in the car, and covers half of windscreen while drinking. Instead of it, I got the 1/2 in size with a filter for tea or cold brew coffee, keeping drink cold or hot for 12 hours. And so pretty. Could I repurpose this recently replaced 12 years old TV cable for the bracelet? A bit too much. How do you think? Okay, something serious. Besides the medical supplies, what will lead us for the rest of our lives, or once prescribed because of temporary health conditions, or vitamins, we always getting plenty just in case ones. However, they are expiring despite there were no case. In Luxembourg, it's possible to dispose them in a couple of ways. The pharmacies are accepting them, or the recycling centers are having some unit called Super Dreckskist. My hair cream will be disposed also there. Expired herbal tea makes no hazard neither to the health nor to the environment. However, it loses the taste and aroma, and health benefits are diminished too. But it can still be used for fighting bad odor in the shoes. All our tea we are keeping in the transparent jars. The tea likes dry and dark places, but I like to see what I have, otherwise I'm forgetting to use it.
Rest with me, close to curtain.
No way this lid will close properly.
Reach out for me. Take my hand.
And it doesn't look like a decor. Okay.
How I love when it rains outside. And it's okay to slow the ride.
So here is pretty much it for today. Some little decluttering here and there always makes me happy. I hope you enjoyed and maybe got some inspirations also for your home. Thanks for watching. Greetings from Luxembourg. Adi.
The curtains, brew some herbal tea.